right, our equation is 1 plus 9. Let's see. Okay, we're going to use yellow for units and greens for tens. That's our placeholder. The first digit is 1. I'm going to put it here. And then our second digit is 9. So we're going to come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we're going to clear and carry a green group of 10. Then we're going to come here, and we see that our units are yellow and our houses are green. So we'll trace that 10. Also, for practice, penmanship practice, learners can trace the international numerals, also known as the Hindu Arabic numerals. Happy learning.